Hi friends, welcome to Magic Show. I went with my whole family in Kids Mania and I have a lot of fun. And with seeing that magic trick, I was so happy. And he had a hanger trip and put in the fist inside it, and she showed that it's nothing. And I was shocked and I didn't see it. I was surprised too. I was not shocked, and he called my dad, and because my dad wears a red dress and the handkerchief is red too. Look, guys, now he's giving a little bit, and now my dad is having two hands tightly, and he's putting inside and saying, "You have?" And my dad said yes. When he's putting all, and she said yes, my dad said. So when he tripped, and what, he is disappeared, guys. And I was shocked and surprised. And he's gonna bring the handkerchief from my dad's ring. He said red dress. So when he's gonna bring, and he's bringing a little out. Wow, my God! I never seen that. And he's bringing all of them, and I was clapping like this. And my sister and me, when he bring it, and he showed my dad, goodbye, guys.